The Scene toolbar will appear by default when no 3D models are selected. Tap on the environment outside of the 3D model to have this toolbar appear. Tap Add to add a 3D model to the scene. If you are unsatisfied with the staging of the 3D models, you can tap Reset. This will allow you to replace all the 3D models that were previously on the scene. Finally, tap on the circle button in the middle to capture your scene as a photo. From here, you could save it as a place or share it directly. You can also refer to our other videos on places to learn more about creating, accessing, and sharing them.